Hello and welcome to Baking with the Nightmare Knight. Today, we're making a special recipe for a special someone. This won't work. Ingredients: 200 grams of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 100 grams of flour, 40 grams of sifted sugar, and 3 egg whites. First, you beat the room temperature egg whites until they form stiff peaks. A few minutes later, whip the egg whites until they form barely stiff peaks. Beat the flour and confectioner sugar until combined in a thin mixture. Gently beat the finely sifted sugar and egg mix into the egg whites. Slowly fold in the flour and sugar mixture. Make sure to do it carefully and slowly. Don't do dramatic motions. That's not good. By now to have a really thick texture that takes a while to move. Yes. If you want to have white macaroons, don't add any food coloring, but at this stage, if you want to have colored macaroons, add your coloring. I want mine to be blue. I'll put about 3 drops. And then mix them in. I wanted mine to be like a Ravenclaw blue, so I put a bunch of blue dye. Yes. So the next step is to type your batter into small round circles on a parchment paper baking pan. So, once you've gotten all of your mixture in a bag, pipe it onto your paper. For best results, let your rounds sit for about 45 minutes. Or, for best results, let them sit out overnight. Put them in the oven for 16 minutes. When you're done, you should have beautiful macaroons. Or be like me and have unique macaroons. Very unique. Not the roundest, but hey, not everything has to be round. I filled mine with some lemon curd from Trader Joe's, but you can use any filling of your choice, like strawberry jam. Yeah. Or buttercream. So, let me try one. A bit crunchy, but otherwise amazing. It's kind of like a fortune cookie. I like it. This one is chewy. And thank you for watching my How to Make Macaroons tutorial with the Nightmare Knight.